Yeah, viewers all over the world, as you already know my name, Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu na Oraifite. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu na temple. Anyị na-agba afọ mmiri emi lụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa, n'oge awa nke isiokwu, abịa nta ka m respond to claims a na-ekwu ebidoro nkụzibe ihe gbasara ihe a karịgoro 6 years now, na-akọwa the passive nature of women. Yes, ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ghọtakwara ya, ụfọdụ aghọtachara ya ka m chọrọ ka m bịa kọwa ọfụma. Yes, there is no doubt na a woman is a multiplier, that a woman being passive in nature, a woman can encompass a man. Now one nwere ike, yes, mana ike a na-ekwu maka ya bụ the spiritual angle. Mụ na gị ma na ike aka ọ dịrị etu anwa, mana the spiritual angle to it, ebe the strength of a woman lies. A woman is a multiplier. I'm talking about genuine woman. I'm not talking about any new person or one. Macadon well women organs. No, I'm not a woman. I'm talking about genuine woman. So whenever I talk about the power embedded in a woman by nature, that for this gross material world to succeed massively, for men to succeed massively, a woman energy must be involved. I'm talking about genuine woman. I'm not talking about just because na wear one, because of never one. Who does that? So here I can get in details. But before we dive into today's lecture, yes, Ogbuefi child of the temple, Echefuna. Now yearly annual festival. Now been September 16th, 15th. Atụrụ anya na onye ọbụla bụ child of the temple ga-participate in ya, ma ị nọ n'oru ma ị nọ n'Igbo. Ịchaatị m na WhatsApp agwa gị ihe ị kwesịrị ime. Yes, ka bụ ofu. Nke abụọ bụ our monthly ritual for the August is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. Distance is never a barrier in all we do in the temple. Yeah, n'isi ụtụtụ ejegoro m na temple chụọ aja gọọ ọfọ kwubi okwu n'isi ndị niile sonyela all over the world. The friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission and consecrated group. Till the last day of the month. I got Chicotia. So the Ninesway and Yabaja game, what and Chicotia and their WhatsApp numbers only. I am my literature. I really go 4 years now. We have massive testimonies. But as you all know, we don't share them on social media. It's not necessary, or it's not why we are here. But I can tell you that you can Chubaja, Makanaja Karirogu. In one you na nkuzi a na na screen you have my number. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837672. Now let's proceed. Issue power of a woman. I'm here to tell you all the batana and the Kaldiki Agwage. Now Mary is the mediatrix of all graces, meaning feminine energy radiates naturally. Enwere ike Chineke tiri n'ime nwanyị. Ya nwanyị, a woman shall compass a nwanyị onye ga na support a man. Ka nwanyị a wee de ude. I can tell you, without behind every successful man, there must be a woman. That woman could be his mother. That woman could be his girlfriend. That woman could even be his wife. But a genuine, when I'm talking a woman, don't say because no where the contours are globalists. No, what I'm talking about genuine woman. Genuine woman is in the spirit. And I told you that Obrona, this world, now in a greater percentage of genuine women, this world will be a better place. Because we need them, and to understand the fact that we needed the most to complement us. Now, the energy of a man is gross in nature. The energy of a man is like, let's say, negative and positive. That is how nature created it. The power of a woman balances the coercive nature of a man. Physically, a man, when they say a woman is a weaker vessel, what depends the neighbor is in the area. If you are looking at from the physical angle, yes, I agree. Woman is weaker in terms of physical strength. And a man is more coerced. One is built in a way to face the daily challenges. Remember in Genesis, I said na Adam, maka ihe mere. N'oge nwa ga-abụ ọga na-agata ihe, ị ga niile gata ihe gabata na ezinụlọ gị. So the man will do the gold and do the teaching of land, do the hard work. Why the woman is the distributor, the organizer of the home. Then, in the spiritual angle, women are stronger. Onya batana, ministry Daganiru, Igafri no wine. The impact are obvious. It's going to Unukadi Chichi, Apono wine alcohol. Yes, of course, with the support of men, yes. Mana, Hane, the determination her, well, close here, they to a nature seeker. Now, but when I'm talking about a woman, I'm talking about no one can spiritually stronger. Therefore, can one hang what should I'm talking about genuine. Am I talking about one na nemelele? One nemelele, so now one kumake. Upon that can kumake. Then one Puno to know you open as see me, add the abron one in the kumaka. And make a genuine woman, a genuine woman will inspire you, a genuine woman will motivate you, a genuine woman will always lead you to the path of glory. A genuine woman will lead you to glory. A genuine woman will lead you closer to the Creator. A genuine woman will lead you to the genuine awakening. That's the sign of a woman. So whenever we talk about a woman being stronger in the side of spiritual activities, is only meant for genuine woman that really they've been the two one be a role model. Yes, and when countless genuine women even mentioned in the Bible, you know, those women that really salvage a lot of things. And when you go any or radiate the woman nature in her for the glory of Chukwu. That is the woman. Or put a woman over a destroyer, a woman that even that will lead a man to doom. Or put a kind of Delilah type of woman. Yes, or put a type of Delilah type of woman or Lot's type of woman. Other women they will go disgrace or even draw man down. You know what I mean? Or put a type of that woman where he seduced through both David and Solomon for them to go to the lowest. I'm talking about genuine woman. A genuine woman will inspire you, support you spiritually, and move you from point A to point B. So, whenever we talk about spiritual strength of a woman, yes, we are talking about woman, the way a woman is built. It's true that they would distorted women. In the spirit, they are distorted in the sense that they are no longer radiate that grace that a woman is supposed to radiate in, keep radiating. They are no longer dispense the grace that a woman is supposed to. That middle of the family that a woman is supposed to be, they are no longer in. So I'm not talking about that woman. So wherever I mention a woman is a stronger vessel, I'm talking about a genuine woman that is living an upright life. A virtuous woman. That is what I'm talking about. So that not every woman will start claiming we are spiritually stronger, we are spiritually stronger. No. By their fruit you shall know them. So for the women, they are trying to use the romantic nature in the opposite direction. Yes. Okay, but what will lead men to greater heights, not what will bring their doom. So that is the cause of women. So stop being bragging. We are women. Women are stronger. Women are stronger. Women are stronger. And what ramification are you talking about? Are you talking about in all ramification that are stronger physically or that are stronger spiritually? So it has to be defined. So that's why I made this video, for you to understand that when we are talking about genuine woman, we are talking about women that bring joy, happiness to who any man that cross their path, not women that bring tears and sorrows to men. Let me stop here. If you have any question into this lecture, or you want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp. Yes, this message is actually a wake-up call for women. It's just to encourage them for them to understand. Then, whom much is given, much is expected. Greater percentage of our women nowadays turn a new leaf. They will lead majority of men back to Creator. Yes, but I can tell you, because some of those things that is happening, them iniquity, social vices, and rest of them, some of them in what a fool. Now some of them, in order to please a woman, that is what led them to that. That's actually the woman actually destroyed them by putting this too much urge for material things, and that's what led to their doom. So what I'm saying is that a wake-up call for women to actually look into themselves and ask themselves, why are we created? Is it to uplift men or to be their doom? Let me stop here. So my number is on the screen, 0805 7837 672. Let us pray. Ekwem, 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 ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị. Ezi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụwo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwu pụrụ ime ihe be with you all now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Udo dịrị unu.